In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through your Hostinger account like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, understanding how to efficiently access and manage your services can make all the difference in maintaining a smooth and professional online presence. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Hostinger's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.hostinger.com. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice a clean and user-friendly interface designed to make finding what you need straightforward and hassle-free. Next, you're going to look for the Login button. It's conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and give that a click. This action will direct you to the login page where you can securely access your account. Now, it's time to enter your account details. Carefully type in your email address and password in the designated fields. It's always a good practice to double-check your information to ensure there are no typos, as this could prevent you from logging in. Once everything looks correct, click on the Login button, and you'll be ushered into your personal Hostinger space. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted by the Hostinger dashboard, also known as HPanel. This is your command center, and it's designed to give you easy access to all the critical areas of your account. From here, you can seamlessly navigate to various sections such as websites, domains, billing, and hosting plans, among others. The HPanel is intuitive and organized, which helps streamline your tasks and eliminates any unnecessary complexity. If you're managing multiple websites, the Websites tab will become your best friend. Here, you can oversee each site, tweak settings, or even add new ones as your digital portfolio grows. Moving on, the Domain section is where you can manage and organize your domain names. This includes renewing them, making adjustments to DNS settings, or transferring domains to and from other registrars. Billing might not be the most exciting section, but it is crucial for ensuring your services remain active and up to date. Here, you can review your invoices, update payment information, and monitor your account's expenditure. Lastly, in the Hosting Plans area, you can view and modify your current hosting plans. This is perfect for when your website demands grow, and you're considering scaling your resources or exploring new solutions offered by Hostinger. And there you have it. A quick, comprehensive tour of how to log in and navigate your way around the Hostinger dashboard. Leveraging these features will help you manage your online presence with confidence and efficiency. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful tutorials.